How should I properly remove Saniderm without causing damage or irritation to the skin?
Welcome. Today we'll be discussing a very important topic for those who've used Saniderm as part of their tattoo aftercare process. That is, how to properly remove Saniderm without causing damage or irritation to the skin. This will ensure that your new tattoo heals beautifully and safely.
What is Saniderm?
Before we dive into the removal process, let's briefly discuss what Saniderm is. Saniderm is a medical-grade, adhesive bandage that is applied over a new tattoo. Its purpose is to promote faster healing while protecting the tattoo from bacteria and other external influences. It's transparent, breathable, and water-resistant, which makes it a popular choice for tattoo aftercare.
When to remove Saniderm?
One of the most common questions regarding Saniderm is, when should I remove it? The answer to this depends on the advice of your tattoo artist, but typically, Saniderm can be left on the tattoo for 24 to 48 hours after the first application. After this initial period, you should remove the bandage, clean the area, and apply a new piece of Saniderm. This second piece can be left on the skin for up to 6 days.
How to remove Saniderm?
Now, let's get to the crux of our discussion. Here are the steps to remove Saniderm. 1. Prepare for removal. Start by cleaning your hands to prevent introducing bacteria to the tattoo area. 2. Loosen the bandage. To make removal easier, try to loosen the Saniderm. This can be done by applying a bit of warm water or oil to the edges of the bandage. 3. Slow and steady. Begin peeling from an edge of the Saniderm. Be sure to do this slowly and gently to avoid causing irritation or pulling at the skin. 4. Keep it moist. If the Saniderm is sticking or pulling too much, moisten it with warm water as you peel it off. This will soften the adhesive and make it easier to remove. 5. Clean the area. After the Saniderm is off, wash the area with a mild, fragrance-free soap and warm water. 6. Moisturize. Dry the area gently with a clean towel and then apply a mild, fragrance-free moisturizer.
What to avoid?
When removing Saniderm, avoid the following. Do not rush the process and try to pull off the bandage too quickly. Do not force the removal if the Saniderm feels like it's stuck. Instead, use more warm water or oil to ease the bandage off. Do not scrub or rub the area after removal. Be gentle to avoid damaging your new tattoo. So, that's how you can safely and properly remove Saniderm without causing skin damage or irritation. Remember, every person's skin is different, and therefore, reactions to Saniderm and its removal may vary. If you notice any adverse reactions or if you have further concerns, don't hesitate to consult your tattoo artist or a healthcare professional. Here's to the beautiful healing of your new tattoo.